Sulfur is a yellow, strong-smelling solid. It is naturally found in the free state as a molecular element. It's not like noble gases. Sulfur is a monoatomic element. Sulfur does not exist as a diatomic molecule, in contrast to other elements. Mostly, a molecule of sulfur consists of 8 atoms joined together to form a ring, as you can see in the figure. Sulfur can exist in different allotropic forms, such as rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur, and plastic sulfur. They are all called allotropes of sulfur. At room temperature, sulfur exists as rhombic sulfur. On rapid heating, rhombic sulfur melts at 112.8 degrees Celsius, and this temperature is known as the melting point. On gradual heating of rhombic sulfur, its crystal structure undergoes slow transformation into the monoclinic form of sulfur at 94.5 degrees Celsius. When any form of sulfur is heated till it melts, it will get the same molecular form as shown in the figure. When it is heated almost to its boiling point and then poured into cold water, plastic sulfur is formed. In plastic sulfur, the S8 ring molecules are ruptured and the sulfur atoms join together to form long chains with a zigzag arrangement as shown in the figure. These chains can be stretched and recoiled, causing the elasticity of plastic sulfur. Free sulfur occurs in Sicily, Japan, USA, and USSR. Different processes are used in mining sulfur according to the nature of the deposits. Sulfur is deposited at about 700 feet below the Earth's surface. It is mined or extracted by the Frasch process. 3 concentric pipes are driven down to the deposit of sulfur. These are the outermost pipe, central pipe, and innermost pipe. First, through the outermost pipe, superheated steam at about 160 degrees Celsius is forced down under pressure. When the superheated steam reaches the deposit, it melts the sulfur, forming a pool of molten sulfur. Hot air under pressure is forced down through the innermost pipe. The pressure of hot air forces up the molten sulfur through the central pipe in between inner and outer pipes. The molten sulfur is collected in wooden containers and allowed to solidify. Sulfur obtained by the Frasch process is 99.5% pure. Sulfur is mainly used in the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Moreover, it is also used in synthetic rubber vulcanization, agriculture pesticides, and gunpowder.